Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new technique I've discovered on how to clean your watch. So if you're like me, you have a watch that gets quite beat up and it's a bit dirty from time to time. So I'm going to try and show you how to get rid of all those marks and defects in a really easy to do tutorial today. You're only going to need a few pieces of equipment, starting off with something that most people have, which is a water sprayer. Now, a water sprayer is just going to be used today to try and get the watch a bit wet. But before we do that, I want to remind everyone watching that your watch is not waterproof a lot of the time unless your crown is screwed down. So make sure your crown is screwed down before doing this tutorial, and if your watch isn't waterproof, I would not recommend doing this tutorial. But all we need to do is give the watch a nice coating of water. Not too much, just to get it wet. Now, once we've coated it in water, as you can see here, pretty sufficiently coated, all we're going to do now is just put the watch to one side while we prepare the other ingredients for this video. Now, starting off, we're going to need something quite basic again, white spirit. White spirit is great for cleaning watches, as everyone knows. So let me just try this out because it's quite often a bit bad. So let me just give it a sip. That's great. Absolutely great stuff there. And the next ingredient is something that most people also have, and that is a jerry can filled with diesel. Diesel is absolutely marvellous for cleaning watches because of the grit and grime of the high hydrocarbon length chains in diesel. It makes it a miracle worker for cleaning watches. Now, make sure that your jerry can is sufficiently dirty, otherwise it may not work as well. As you can see here, I've prepared this one by leaving it out in the winter weather for a few weeks before this video. Now, what you're going to do is mix these two ingredients. I've done this in a drinking glass because that way it's easier for me to pour. And then all you need to do is take a clean microfiber cloth, as seen here, and gently dip it inside of your glass. This is just to douse the cloth, we don't want to drown it, so I'm going to squeeze the excess into this. Don't worry if it gets on your hands, this stuff is marvellous at moisturising your hands. So now all you have to do is give your watch a quick rub and you will see the dirt and grime lift off before your very eyes. This is an absolutely amazing ingredient, and don't let anyone else tell you otherwise, because as you can see here, just simply rubbing it with this marvellous formula is just lifting off years of age. So you can see there, the crystal is already repairing itself, and look at that shine. What a beauty. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This has been absolutely marvellous to make. If you want to see more, stay tuned till next year, and I'll be showing you how to make cardboard into an alligator leather strap. Bye for now.